Good morning. First dorm coffee of 2022. I just moved back in yesterday and I have some RA, yeah, that sounded wrong. I have some RA training today and tomorrow. It's all on Zoom just because of like an outbreak of COVID in Monroe County. That's honestly fine with me. I just got a vaccine yesterday and my arm hurts and I just don't feel like great overall. So I'm fine with being on Zoom. It's honestly better. So I have some stuff planned today. I want to do my quiet time this morning. I want to make a breakfast, do my training online, and then make a lunch here because I don't really feel like going anywhere for lunch. Maybe read if I have some downtime in between like training stuff. Then go to eat with my sister tonight. And then I really don't have anything else, but I have a new setup in here. If you guys notice that the mugs are in my like chest drawer, but I moved some things around. I got a freaking skincare fridge. Like, I never thought I'd be that person, but yeah, that's the new stuff in my room. Everything else is pretty much the same. I just did some organization. I realized I forgot my Nintendo Switch charger at home. Won't be able to play Switch very much, but I don't really have anything. I have to make a bulletin board and have to make some door decorations, like the names. Prepare for my classes that start Monday. Yeah. And then I got this keto cereal. I'm gonna try it. I'm not even on a keto diet. I just thought it'd be healthier. Oh, my arm hurts. Hopefully this is good. What a good devotion today. It was talking about how you can show unusual kindness to people, like going beyond to like normal kindness. So it told me to like brainstorm some ways I can be unusually kind, and it's kind of hard. Like, I still need suggestions. So if you guys have any ideas, comment them down below because I want to be unusually kind. Like, that sounds like an awesome thing to be. So I think I'm gonna write my to-do list. That's it. It's time to start my Zoom. I'm gonna file my nails and then I'm gonna get on and then use this Opie Nail Envy nail strengthener. So I'm gonna get on the Zoom soon. Hey. I'd say like through our community or our floor meetings, we could like talk about values we want to work on. We ended Zoom early for lunch, so I have from 11 to 1 to chill, but I'm having like body aches. Like, I couldn't get comfortable and I thought it was just because I thought it was just because I was tired, but now like my body like seriously hurts. And I also don't know if that's because I worked out yesterday. There's so many factors. It could be that I'm sore from working out. So I'm gonna take a nap is basically what I'm saying. I'm gonna take a nap and I'm gonna wake up at like 12:30 and make lunch. I'm gonna ask if I can turn my camera off because my body like seriously hurts and like sitting up hurts so bad. So I'm gonna just ask if I can. I actually slept that whole amount of time, so So now I'm gonna make my lunch. I just logged onto the Zoom and I got permission to turn my camera off. And it is now 1 o'clock, so. I think I'm gonna take another nap. Just like, why is this the most boring vlog ever? It's realistic though, I'm just tired. I read like 200 to 300 pages of my book. So back to sleep again. I'm not gonna take a nap. Instead, I'm gonna get ready and make some afternoon coffee. I've never felt so tired. I'm gonna make some coffee and then I'm gonna pluck my eyebrows and get ready because I'm gonna go to dinner with my sister at 5. I really like the way my makeup turned out because I never do eyeshadow, so I'm like, okay. And here's some sun. Okay, so I picked an outfit. I'm going for the hippie vibes today. So these pants are from Natural Life and they're really flowy. They're called road trip pants. And I kept the same white sweatshirt set, which I got from Target on. This necklace is from H&M. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys are wanting an updated room tour, I would love to give you guys that. I would love to show you guys more stuff in this room, but I don't want to show you guys too much if I'm gonna make a room tour, so that is what I mean by that. And then I'm digging the sun right now, but yeah. Completed the look. We love to see it, but I forgot that it's only like 18 degrees. So I'm gonna have to wear a coat. Alright, so also our bulletin board theme this month is MLK, and so I think I'm gonna do a bunch of hands in different colors and put I have a dream or like something about a dream, and then they gave us resources to put, so that's what I'm gonna be working on maybe tonight and tomorrow. And then door decks, I'm still not sure. I want to pick a fun theme, but I'm gonna have to find something, so let's look together. I really want to do something easy, like something I can print off, but that's not how life works. I feel like that's super cute too, but I don't have string, so can't be that one. I think I'm gonna do this. I think I'm gonna draw on my iPad so that I don't have to like cut out the paper and make this. I think I'm gonna just draw it and then make copies on Google Docs and cut them out. Dinner was really good. I might hang out with some friends, so I'll take you guys with me if I do that. Go with the flow. I changed my pants, but we're on our way.
They got leapfrog here.
Hey, how did I get through to that game? Anybody want to explain that one?
The swamp on it.
No, that's fine.
So that was super fun. I'm going to bed. It is like 1 o'clock-ish, and it was a really fun day. I think I'm gonna read the rest of my book because I only have like 50 pages left, which isn't the smartest move, but I'm trying to finish this book series before school starts, so bye. Morning. So I decided to continue this vlog into tomorrow, which is today. Today I have conference Zoom calls with like our neighborhood. So I'm going to do some work around my room and like go wash my dishes because we just have to listen. We will continue the day here. Okay, so I got my dishes done, I did my skincare, and I made my bed. So now I'm going to look online. So basically for IU, and I'm sure it's like this at other places, we like type in our course name into the bookstore and then it tells us what books we need. So while I'm like listening to the next Zoom, which I think I'm gonna do the burnout, like how to deal with burnout and emotional exhaustion, because that's me. There was only one book that we had. Yeah, I didn't really find anything else for my classes. I only found one book. Next, I think I'm gonna work on my door decks and go ahead and draw those on my iPad. So basically I'm just gonna draw what I want it to look like, and then I'm going to copy and paste it onto a Google Doc, make a bunch of copies of it, and then cut them out like that. So I'll probably go print sometime today and cut those out, and then I have contact paper in my room. So hopefully it looks good, but I wouldn't get my hopes up thinking it's gonna look amazing, but yeah. Okay, so I got done with my video, my Zoom, but while I was doing that, I was doing some devotional, and I just wanted to emphasize how amazing this devotional book has been. So today was about solitude and how we need solitude, not just like for ourselves, but to love others properly. So the reason that sometimes we need to go away from people is actually to improve our life with people, which is so crazy. I thought that was so like, I've never heard it that way before. I've always heard like solitude as like a personal growth, not like a way to like use the commandment to love others better. Another crazy thing is my Organic 2 syllabus just got posted, so later tonight we're probably gonna put some of that stuff into my planner because I like to be organized, and that's my only class that's published so far. So I think I'm going to lunch soon and then I'm gonna go work out. So we're eating at Wright Residence Hall. That's the only residence hall that's open, which isn't that far, but it's still like really cold outside. I think it's only 9 degrees. We love to see it, but yeah, that's gonna suck. I'm wearing my new IU hat and mittens. Time to go. It is so cold. My car sounds like it's gonna explode. I'm back. So my workout went really well. Now I'm on my second Zoom of the day and we're doing training, or not, we're doing duty scheduling and like figuring out what days we work, which is arguably the most important session we need. I also got my door decks printed out. I drew these on my iPad and I'm gonna cut them out, put the room number where the red thing is, and then the name on the green part. So it's like a little GPS thing. And then I also printed out like some bulletin board stuff for MLK, and I'll show you guys my completed one. I got all my door decks done, so that's one thing I got off my list. And I am going to turn on all the lights in my room because it's getting dark. And then there's a bowling night tonight for our staff, but I don't really feel like going. But first I'm gonna clean up my room because I have so much like contact paper and just like cut out pieces of paper on my desk. That's pretty much it. So I'm gonna start cleaning and then I'll see you guys soon. Hi guys, I'm back. So I just filmed my skincare. It's 6 o'clock. I think I'm gonna watch this YouTube video and then make dinner in my room, which I'm gonna make chicken tortilla soup that I have from a can because chicken tortilla soup is my favorite soup, I think, other than chili, if you consider that a soup, because I put noodles in my chili. So I'm gonna make some of that and then I'll show you guys the finished result and me eating it. This is the soup I'm gonna make. I love Progresso soup. So I think I'm gonna head to bed. It's literally only 8 o'clock, but I've been on night shift at the hospital and it's just really thrown me off, and that was a while ago, but like my sleep has not recovered. So I feel like if I go to sleep now and I like either wake up early or like sleep until like 10 or something. So I think I'm gonna try to go to sleep, which usually ends up with me just laying in bed for hours, but hopefully I just go right to sleep. But I don't know if I'm gonna vlog tomorrow. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to because I plan to be in bed all day except to work out. And the reason is because I just really want to take like a Sabbath day and like do some things to praise God, but also like just relax. But that's about it. I just wanted to tell you guys thank you so much for sticking around, and thank you guys just for watching these videos. I appreciate it so much, and I just hope you guys have a great second semester, and if you're not in school, I just hope you have a great 2022, and I will see you guys in my next video.